welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. As you can see, you guys are looking at grocery bags. I'm gonna be doing the what's in my shopping bag challenge, so stay tuned guys and let's see what I went shopping for. Alright guys, like I said in the last clip, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I bought from the grocery store today. Now usually I shop at Key Food, but Key Food or Walmart. Today I went to Walmart and I'm gonna be showing you guys what I bought. There will be a part 2 to this video, only because Walmart does not have a lot of the stuff that we use in my household. We go to the Korean stores in Brooklyn and get like all the other necessities that we need, because Walmart just don't carry a lot of stuff. They don't carry, like, you can't get goat meat there, you can't get pigtail there, you can't get corned beef, certain corned beef that you usually might not get there. The seasoning that we use, we always, take the time to go to a Korean store. We know we can get anything like hard dough bread, bun, cheese, little stuff like that. I have my grapes, my favorite, pineapple. I have my strawberries. And guys, I found this in Walmart and I was super excited because I didn't know that they had this here. I thought you could only get it in Jamaica. I don't know why, but I was very excited when I see this. The only thing I need to see in Walmart now and just go crazy is June plum, because I love June plum. But I found me some guava with the alphabet. Bananas. No, I don't know why I bought this much bananas, because everybody in my house always met them go spoil, but it's alright. Can't always make banana fritters or something with it, so I don't really stress over that. I got me some plantain. Usually I would buy plantain at the Korean store, but I saw these there and I was like, why not? So I think that's it for all the fruits that I got. I got me some bell peppers. The next thing that I bought, guys, is have to. Them don't have the Grace. I love Grace sausage, but they don't have that there, so I stuck with Libby's. So I got my sausage, pink salmon. Every Caribbean household that I know always have tin stuff. Spam. I bought tuna, some milk. Now the reason, a lot of you probably wonder why buy lactate milk. Am I lactose intolerant? No, my sister used to drink this when she was a baby and we've just become accustomed to it, never switched back from regular milk, and this lasts very long. It don't spoil that easy and it's not as heavy as regular milk, so we use lactate. And I bought this only because not all the time you have juice, and I look in the fridge and I don't see juice, I get upset. So I always have this just so I can make some sugar and water and add some iced tea to it. I got bagels, cinnamon raisin bagel, the best. And I got whole grain oat nuts bread. I got the best cereal in the world. Comment below if you love Frosted Flakes as well. I love Frosted Flakes. I eat these with I eat the cereal without the milk. Fun fact, when I was younger, I used to eat the Frosted Flakes. My mother used to buy Frosted Flakes or Corn Flakes. If anybody know that red and white box of Corn Flakes, and dump what you call it? I would dump condensed milk in a cup and pour, like, it would be this much cornflakes and then the whole tin of condensed milk in the cup, mix it around, no water, nothing, mix it around and eat it. That was the best. But I love Frosted Flakes, my favorite cereal. And Oreos, because I get the munchies. These are the bomb, guys. Like, let me tell you, I bought these on accident one day and it was in the vending machine. I pressed the wrong thing and I got this one It's the bomb. You have to try it. You have to try it and let me know in the comments if you liked it, because this is bomb.com. Thank me later. Thank me later. I'm gonna put you on to something else. This right here is everything. Okay, if you never tried this in your life, you need to buy it and try it. I'm telling you, it's the best. They're the best things since sliced bread, I swear to God. But I buy these because they're like semi-healthy. They're toasted chips, so but they're really good, guys. They're really addicting too. So the whole bag might just go the first time. That I got me some ground beef because I might be making homemade burgers soon. So stay tuned for that video. So I bought me some ground beef sirloin. You know, by my Frankfurters. Nathan, the best. Every breakfast, anytime you eat breakfast, this is always needed, okay? You cannot have breakfast if you don't have bacon, okay? Bacon is life. Don't make nobody tell you nothing. Bacon is life. But no, I eat bacon with everything. I love bacon. Like, you can't go wrong with bacon. You can never have too much bacon. Don't make nobody tell you. Sliced cheese is a must. Okay? Alright. Actually bought a lot of stuff. I was in Walmart and I was looking at my cart and I was like, why it look like I don't have nothing in the cart? Like, I know I'm gonna go and pack out the stuff and then it look like I'm gonna buy nothing. But it look like, you know, I get some good amount of stuff. I bought these for my little sister. You know, something easy on the go. They're as good as the regular ones, but yeah. Chocolate, hot chocolate. It's getting cold outside, you know. Your girl don't like tea, but you know, from day to day, time to time, I'll drink some hot chocolate. So I bought the Swiss Miss. I usually buy another brand, but Walmart don't carry that brand. I think it's a Key Food brand. But I picked up this just to have something, and I feel like everybody buy these. I feel like everybody buy these. Everybody know about ramen. Come on. I got my mango. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love anything mango. Any juice that's mango, I love it. I used to buy the cran mango, but for some reason I couldn't find it in Walmart. Cran mango is the bomb. If you never tried it, please try it and thank me later, because that's just bomb. So instead I went for the second best thing, Snapple Mango Madness, the best. Maybe because I love anything mango, like mango juice, like the mango juice that I did on the channel before. That's really my favorite. Snapple apple mango, like anything. Even the Arizona mango flavor is my favorite. Like whole chickens, which is a very good deal. Can we get 2 whole chicken for $10? Which I think is a deal. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. But yeah, we might get tired of stuff that we eat, but it's all a matter of just changing one ingredient or switching one ingredient. Adding one ingredient changes the flavor of your food. So I tend to do that a lot. Sometimes I'll be in the kitchen and just brainstorm like, oh, I want to make chicken, but I don't want to make it how I usually make it, and then I'll just add one different ingredient to whatever I'm making, and actually come out good. So cooking is all about experimenting, willing to experiment, and knowing that you might fail but still do it and enjoy it. That's what I love about it. I love the fact that I can come in the kitchen and have, you know, bare minimum ingredients and still make a dish out of it. You know what I mean? Like, it's all about fun. It's creative. It's supposed to be creative. It's supposed to be yours. You know, with it, that's all that matters. That's what I love about cooking. You can always be creative. You can always add stuff. You can always take away stuff and come up with your own thing and be like, yo, you know, so I'm gonna try this the other day and it tastes good. Cooking is fun, just to explore a little bit more, be open to the kitchen. I mean, I fail a lot of times. I cook rice all the time and I still mess it up a few times, but it's all about learning. You might fail one time, but you learn from that mistake, and it's fun, you know. But that's my little rant. Almost forgot to show you guys, I did get banana nut muffins. These are bomb diggity. Got some Perdue chicken strips. This is just something quick, you know, when you come home you don't have time for cook, you can just put these in the oven. Put them in the oven. I think it's only 425, only take like 18 to 20 minutes, and you have something light, you know. I love these. I lived on these when I was in college. Like, I always had these in the fridge because it's whole wheat crackers, kidney beans. It's a must. This is a must. Okay. Bought some cream cheese. Last thing I have on my list is my paper plates. Everybody always asks me why we use paper plates, and it's because I am very lazy. I don't want to wash no dishes. So buy paper plates, you just throw it in the bin after you finish. That's it. I love paper plates. That is it, guys. That's all that's in my shopping bag. I bought some other stuff, but it's not food related, so I'm not gonna show you guys. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I really had fun doing this video. Initially I had planned to show you guys me actually buying the stuff in Walmart, but that Walmart, as I said, it's a super Walmart and it's always crowded, it's always crazy, it's always a lot going on the floor. So I just decided to instead show you guys what I got from my cart, from my shopping bag, what's in my shopping bag. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this style of video, I enjoyed it, so you know, I'm always open to, you know, new ideas and stuff like that. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. See you guys next week.